about the grammar of nikakete. Nani nani nikakete. The grammar of nani nani nikakete is mean that over a period or through or concerning or regarding or something. And when you use the grammar of nikakete, you can use the noun only. That means when you use the grammar of nikakete, you should begin by your verb, by a verb or a noun, and after that followed by nikakete. And when you use nikakete, that means sometimes you can use va or mo. For example, nikakete va, nikakete mo, like this. Which one you can use when you use va or mo, or when you don't use va or mo, both. That just depends the situation that you are explaining and the sentence that you are create. So it depends to the situation that you are talking about. So when you learn Japanese more and more, you will understand about how to use when don't use wa or don't use mo, and when you use both of wa and mo. So though you just remember that when you use nikakete, you can use this noun, and it had a meaning that over a period or through or concerning or regarding. So to make more understand, let's go to see some example. Tennis ni kakete wa kare ni kateru hito wa inai. Tennis ni kakete wa kare ni kateiru hito wa inai. Which means there is no one who can beat him in tennis. There is no one who can beat him in tennis. The example, manga ni kakete wa watashi yori kuwashii hito wa imasen. Manga ni kakete wa watashi yori kuwashii hito wa imasen. Which means regarding manga, there is nobody who knows as much as I do. Regarding manga, there is nobody who knows as much as I do. For the first sentence that they will use tennis ni kakete wa, that means for in the field of tennis, or when you talk about tennis, kare ni kateru hito wa inai. When you talk, for example, Mr. Tanaka, right? For Mr. Tanaka is very good at tennis. So when we talk about the tennis, nobody can win Mr. Tanaka. That in the situation like that, we want to explain that never have anybody that win Mr. Tanaka until now, right? So when you want to explain something like that, you can say tennis ni kakete wa, right? Tanaka-san ni kateiru hito wa inai, something like this. Or kare ni kateiru hito wa inai. That means when you talk about some field, for example, tennis field, or talk about the topic that say about tennis, right? Mr. A or Mr. B very good, yeah, and nobody can win. So we can say tennis ni kakete wa kare ni kateiru hito wa inai. And for the second sentence, they say the similarly. Manga ni kakete wa watashi yori kuwashii hito wa imasen. That means when you talk about the manga, that nobody else knows well as much as I do, because I read a lot. I have read many years, and I very interesting in manga, so I know very much a lot of, right? So in the situation like this, you want to explain in Japanese that nobody else know as much as I do. So you can say, Manga nikakete wa watashi yori kuwashii hito wa imasen. Something like this. Or we say in English, they say, regarding manga, there is nobody who knows as much as I do. The next example, 私はギターにかけては誰よりも詳しい。私はギターにかけては誰よりも詳しい。That means I am more knowledgeable about guitar than anyone else. I am more knowledgeable about guitar than anyone. The next, 彼はパソコンにかけて何の交渉でも直せます。彼はパソコンにかけて何の交渉でも直せます。Which means he can fix anything that's broken related to computers. He can fix anything that's broken related to computers. For both of two this sentence, we will talk about some field, and in that field, we'll talk about who is the most know about that field, right? For the first sentence, they say about guitar nikakete wa. That means then we talk about the guitar. Dare yori mo kuwashi. That means I am no more than anybody, right? That means you are professor at guitar, right? So when you are professor at guitar, that means you know everything about guitar. So in that sentence, you can say, 私はギターにかけては誰よりも詳しい。Something like this. And for the second sentence, they say, 彼はパソコンにかけて何の交渉でも直せます。That means if you are the professor at computer, right? Whatever the problem happen with the computer, you can solve. So that means you are a professor at computer for repair or support that what happened. So in the situation like this, that you want to explain in Japanese, you can say, 彼はパソコンにかけて. That means you talk about the computer. 何の故障でも直せます. That means whatever broken, you can solve. So in Japanese, we say, 彼はパソコンにかけて何の交渉でも直せます. Something like this. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of 何々にかけては right. 何々にかけては that means you talk about some topic and you are professor at that topic, right? So you can say use the かけて to help you to explain the situation that happened. So thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。